This monologue was written by or inspired by YouTube channel AK47. He left a comment, YouTube banned it or didn't let it go. The comment gets seen. I've just seen the comment today and I've turned it into this. These are his words. Have you ever noticed how this country runs like a dodgy funeral business? Coffins, burial plots, wreath, all flogged like 2-for-1 deals at Tesco. And family courts, the same, exactly the same. Where there's a life, death, or children, there's money to be made. And corruption's always got its hand out. It's less justice system and more cash for chaos scheme. And who decided some bloke with a degree and a lanyard gets more say over your children than you do? The elites, mate, that's who. The elites, mate, that's who. The same people who tell you what you can and can't say on YouTube. They want you asking, who's above who? While a social worker with a God complex writes your obituary in biro. I've seen people walk free just because of their skin color. I've seen addicts get fast-tracked through awareness courses. So the government can brag, look at us. We've ticked a few boxes. We've solved society. Yeah, they solved it. About as well as a toddler solves a Rubik's Cube with a hammer. And let's not forget the British Empire's greatest bits. Stealing, robbing, killing, dividing. If they were a band, they'd have more number ones than the Beatles and the Encore, telling you that it's about rights. Rights they hand out like free samples, then snatch back like a dodgy drug. First one's free, mate. Next one, that will cost you your kids. We live in a controlled environment. Your voice doesn't echo it. It gets muffled under policy and procedure. That's why people either wake up or stand up, or they get steamrolled. If you think words are enough, words just don't. Just give them time to shaft you with a smile. Coppers can't do anything unless you give them reason. So don't hand them the rope and ask them for a demonstration. And faith, family, all that God stuff, supposedly handed down, twisted and sold back to us at a markup price. Jesus turned water into wine. The system turned kids into commodities. 2-for-1 custody. Weekend deal. Offer ends Friday. Meanwhile, the system and the telly are teaching your kids stuff they never needed to know. YouTube algorithms raising them like a drunk uncle. What's trending, being confused with what's true and what's normal, now including things that weren't even legal 10 years ago. So yeah, good luck. Godspeed. Share the truth. Wake people up, or at least laugh at the circus while you're in it. Because if you wait for government to look out for you, you'll be waiting a long time. Longer than you can imagine. I mean, longer than Prince Andrew at a Girl Guides meeting, actually. Now, take care. Keep your head up high. And remember, system feeds off chaos. Your job is to see through it, not become the chaos, not become the punchline.